Welcome to NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, your weekly pulse on next-gen mobility systems and autonomous machines. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the industrialization of autonomous mobility. We're officially out of the R&D lab, guys, because mass-produced commercial robotaxis are literally hitting the streets right now, proving this is finally a tangible business reality. First, Tesla has started mass-producing its Cybercab down in Texas, with 60 units already spotted. They're using a crazy new Unboxed method. Just think of building a car by snapping together fully finished Lego blocks at the very end. It's designed to slash production costs by 50%, targeting a sub-$30,000 price point and eventually 2 million cars a year. Now, these early test units still have temporary steering wheels, just so human drivers can gather the safety data regulators demand. Second, having cars is useless without software. Today, the Netherlands decides on approving Tesla's full self-driving update featuring their V14 end-to-end neural network. At roughly €99 a month, a green light here is basically a regulatory skeleton key for all of Europe. But I have to ask you, Tesla has the hardware volume, but can their AI seamlessly adapt to Europe's complex urban environments fast enough to dominate? Finally, while Tesla fights that European red tape, a rival consortium actually beat them to the punch. On April 8th, Pony.ai launched Europe's very first commercial robotaxi service in Zagreb, Croatia. Partnering up with Uber, they're running a new self-diagnosing AI called Pony World 2.0. So while Tesla bets on massive solo scale, Pony.ai proves an asset-light alliance gets you paying customers today. The race for autonomous dominance is no longer about who has the smartest code, but who can manufacture cheaply, navigate regulations smartly, and scale fleets profitably.
This was NexTechie Autonova, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.